Are you facing a hit and run charge and wondering what penalties you may face? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain the penalties for hit and run offenses in California and how you can defend yourself. I'm Hieu, a criminal defense attorney in Orange County. I've helped many clients who've faced hit and run charges, and today I'm here to help you understand the potential consequences of what steps to take next. If you've been charged with a hit and run, don't wait. Contact me today so we can Contact me today so that we can discuss your case and build a strong defense. Let's start by breaking down the two types of hit and run charges in California. The first one will be the misdemeanor hit and run charge, which falls under Vehicle Code 2002. This charge applies to accidents that involve property damage only. The penalties for this case includes fines up to $1,000 and up to 6 months in jail, restitution for the property damage, and probation, including points on your record. Now, for the most serious and the second type of hit and run case is the felony hit and run, which falls under Vehicle Code 2001. This applies when there's injury or death involved. The penalties here are much steeper and include fines ranging from $1,000 to $10,000, including state prison time of 16 to 4 years, and a permanent felony record which can affect your ability to secure employment or housing. In addition to these penalties, there are also other consequences you should be aware of. The DMV can suspend your license even for misdemeanor convictions. Your insurance rates will likely increase significantly, or your policy could be canceled altogether. And on top of everything, you might face a civil lawsuit from the other party to cover damages. Now, what affects the severity of these penalties? The court will consider the seriousness of the accident, any prior criminal history, and whether you've made efforts to rectify the situations, like returning to the scene or offering restitution. The good news is that there are defense strategies we can use. For example, if you weren't the driver, we can demonstrate mistaken identity. Or you generally didn't know an accident occurred. We can argue lack of knowledge. Or no significant damage or injury was caused. We can present evidence to support that. And if you voluntarily came back, this can be an equitable reason to reduce the charges. Having an experienced attorney is essential. I can review the details of your case, challenge the evidence against you, and negotiate with the prosecutors to reduce or even dismiss your charges. Remember, facing hit and run charges is serious, but with the right defense, you can protect your future and minimize the impact on your life. To recap, penalties for a hit and run depend on whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, with consequences ranging from fines and jail time to license suspension and civil lawsuits. Acting quickly and working with an experienced attorney is critical. If you've been charged with a hit and run, reach out to me today. Let's work together to protect your rights and move forward with confidence.